Yeah, Keemi elite representing for the big ball elite team. Don't pay me ear no mind, they don't know it's a very big team. And right now we're in Kingston, Jamaica, DanceJa studio, the artist and the livest. Right now, I talk fast, I don't really do the talking thing, I'm more action. So that's the name Grimey. Watch it and catch it. First, you're gonna lean to the left, dip, tap. Right hand coming from up, from down, up, like an uppercut, say go, ah. And then the fourth one, they go in on four corners, so you go turn, 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 and then you do one more grind like 1, then you go up, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this movement, the next part, you go left foot forward, right hand behind, left hand forward, and you go swing it like a popular, so you go 1, 2, back, 1, 2, while the foot, 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready now? Let's try. 1, 2, 1,